The Google Pixel 4 is not a secret anymore. Definitely one of the most leaked phones of all time, not least by Google themselves. There's a feature that Google are implementing in this year's Pixel phone that we already know about that has influenced the design in a big way. Before the phone has even been released, there has been one feature that has courted some controversy thanks to some leaked information. And that's Google's new feature called Motion Sense. Google have been working on a Motion Sense feature for a while now, otherwise known as Solly. And they've developed it to a stage where they're confident enough to put it in the Google Pixel 4. If you don't know what Solly is, it's actually radar technology miniaturized down so that they can put it into a smartphone, which, to be honest, is actually really cool. In theory, because the phone will be able to detect movements, you'll be able to control the operating system without actually touching your phone. Thanks to XDA developers, we now know that the feature called Motion Sense will only be activated in about 53 countries or regions, meaning that if you're using a Pixel in one of those places, then Motion Sense altogether will not be activated and you won't be able to use it. Most of the main markets for the Google Pixel 4 are included, but not all of them. What's more interesting is the list of apps that will support Motion Sense right out of the box, and well, there aren't many of them. In fact, all of them are simply music applications, meaning that for now, Motion Sense really is only useful for switching between songs or possibly turning up the volume by swiping above your phone when it's on the table. Thanks to This Is Tech Today, who got hands-on with a Google Pixel, we know that Google have also developed some other limited features for Motion Sense, including Reach to Check. This will wake your phone if you reach your hand over it so that you can check messages. And also, conversely, you can also turn off alerts or message alerts by using the same gesture, reaching over your phone. Huawei have included a similar feature to Motion Sense on the new Mate 30 Pro, using what they call a gesture sensing camera, although the technology between the Google and the Huawei devices is very different. And when I used that on the Mate 30 Pro, let's just say it was not very responsive, to say the least. It was very clunky to use, and there was still a problem. For example, you can use a hand gesture to take a screenshot, but once you've taken the screenshot, it then disappears and you're gonna have to touch the screen again if you want to do anything else with the screenshot. So the question is, why are Google putting Solly in the Pixel 4 if out of the box the apps are so limited and it won't be available in every country either? Well, it's a new technology, and like all new technologies, the first attempt is always going to have limited use and slow uptake. But Google obviously thinks this technology is important and may just change the way that we use phones in the future, and they could possibly put it in other products too. Subscribe for more information on the Google Pixel 4 and other Google devices. That's it for now, but I'll see you in the next one.